Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Guess what? So we just got some fidgets
Really
from
cool.
Walmart. So this is her ducky.
Smells okay.
I have a gummy bear one. It's red.
Yeah.
Really cool.
She has.
What? I got fruit Neatos. We both got cool fruit Neatos because they restocked at the Northport Walmart in Florida. Northport Walmart in Florida. So you just definitely go there. There's like, I don't know, like 8 left maybe.
There's a lot.
Oh my gosh, this is the best.
Oh my gosh. This is
The
literally
orange
the
Neato. The strawberry
banana.
Neato. Oh, look, it says Neato. It says Neato. And this is the banana one. It says Neato. It's so cool. I like the banana one the best. Oh man, I just love these so much.
No, you finish and then I'll.
She also got monkey noodles.
Wait. I don't
See,
think you
I
know.
already have them. Show them your Neato ball.
I got a blue color skin tomato.
It changes to pink, and I have the what's it
Cosmic.
called? I have
The blue.
yellow one that changes to orange.
Yeah.
So
And you
Yeah.
also
I also
have.
got the Cosmo fidget ball that I wanted so bad.
Oh, it does. It's really cool, guys. I highly recommend all of these videos.
Yes.
Okay, girls, you going in here?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this when we get home because I can't open it right now, but because I can't open this
Hold
without
on.
scissors.
Let me.
But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these free Neatos and everything. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Open this when we get home, so look for the next video. It'll be posted pretty soon. And love you guys. Bye.